Hi, and welcome to Lily's Design. Today, I want to share this great idea I came up with for an overhead video recorder. It's reasonable price. It's easy to set up. You can move it from room to room or take it on the go. Now you guys want to stick around because I'm going to share some useful tips, but that's going to be at the end of the video, and it's going to be great for this setup. All right, let me give you a little information about this item. It's called an overhead pet grooming arm. You can get it at Amazon, and I'll list that in the link down below. And it only costs $66, which is a great buy. If you were to look up photography overhead videotaping, you're going to see that these are $200 and above because it's called a photography item. It comes with 2 heavy-duty clamps on each side, and the clamps can open to 1 1/4 of an inch. You can attach it to any table that's between 36 inches to 48 inches. It also comes with 2 posts that are 48 inches, so you can record from 46 inches and below. The connector in the middle does easily remove, and you can lock it in if you like with some screws, but it doesn't need to be. The connector bar is 28 inches long. And what's nice about this bar, it has these slots already inside of them. You see on each side? And what's great is all you will need is a 1.5 inch thumbnail and a washer, or you can use a screw, and you're going to put this on the back. Because when we put this connector on, we're going to put it on this way. Or you can turn it around, it doesn't matter, but we're not going to do the normal way that it should go like this. We're going to do it this way. This way, when we hook up our iPad, iPhone, or camera, it's going to go just like that. Now, in this demo, I'm going to show you how to hook up the iPad holder that I have for a tripod mount. And you could use the same process on the iPhone or the camera. So you're just going to unscrew the mount. We won't need that. We just need that nut that's in there so that we can screw this into our thumbnail. And sorry, this is going to be just a little bit loud. Twist that around until it's nice and tight. And not too tight because you don't want to break it. And as you can see, that is why I have the washer, so it blocks it. Okay, there you go. All we're going to do now is hook it up to the top. I placed a connector on top, put my iPad in the holder, and I'm ready to go for filming. I set this bar at 46 inches, and I'm going to give you the measurements. I'm going to switch cameras. I'm going to go to the one that's up on top so you can see down below, and I can give you some sort of measurements. I'm filming at 46 inches above, and I wanted to give you measurements of just a basic idea of what space you have down below. It looks like it's going to be about 37 inches wide, and the depth is about 27 inches. This is just an estimate. It's not accurate whatsoever. Here's my first tip. It's called Reflector 3. It's a free trial right now for 7 days, and it costs $14.99. What it does, it mirrors anything that's on your iPad or your iPhone. What I like about this is I can now flip over my iPad, and I'll be able to view it this way, because your back-end cameras are always better on your iPhone and your iPad. What's nice is that I could sit here sewing, and I can be viewing it, and if it goes out of the area, I'll see it and catch it right away. I don't have to be bending up there looking and breaking my neck. So this is awesome. Try it out, guys. It's great for the overhead video recording. My second tip is called a camera shutter. It's $7.29, and what it does is it turns on the iPad and the iPhone on and off, the video recorder or the photos. You just click the button. It works off of Bluetooth, and as you can see, I'm now recording. And when I want to turn it off and stop it, I just click the button. This is great for overhead recording. My third tip is You need a microphone for when you're doing overhead recording, and this one is pretty awesome. It's $22 on Amazon, and it clips on to you right there. As you see the grips, I don't want to open it up because it will pick up the sound and it will sound distorted. But these are great for the overhead recording. I'm going to show you. I have it wrapped around my cord, my post, and then it leads right up to my iPad. It comes with an extra 79-inch cord. And that's the microphone. I wanted to show you guys a few ideas. I have 2 soft boxes, one on each side, and then I have an umbrella up above. Now my lighting is not the best. I'm still trying to educate myself on lighting, so any advice would be useful. If you can comment down below, I would appreciate it, as well as others will. I'm going to give you a little information what I got up here. I have an iPad on the left, then I have an iPhone, and an old camera I don't use. I just place these up there so that you can see they all hook up. Next, I have this umbrella, and I clamped it onto the eyelet, which these eyelet screws are coming in pretty handy. You can wrap cords around them or use them to clamp things. And I have this old utility light, and I took the dome off and just put a 5500K bulb in there. So that's my setup. And one other feature I want to tell you, if you're not doing overhead recording, you can just push this overhead recorder back, and you can put some material over it and use it as a backdrop. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And please share my video, let others know about it. Thank you. Bye-bye.